Welcome to viewers and students. Here we will discuss a few important sums on quadratic equations. So let's recall quickly. The style of quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, a not equal to 0, a, b and c are real numbers, right? Now we have also discussed the solution of this equation. You will find that x equal to minus b plus minus root over b square minus 4ac divided by twice a. So this is how we can find the roots of the quadratic equation. So let's solve this equation. Solution: 15 by x square equal to 1 minus 2 by x. This implies that 15 by x square equal to here x minus 2, right? Now you see this becomes 15 into x equal to x minus 2 into x square. So this becomes 15x minus x square into x minus 2 equal to 0, right? Now this becomes 15x minus x cube minus plus 2x square equal to 0. This becomes minus x cube plus 2x square plus 15x equal to 0. Now you can take x common. X is a factor of everyone, so you can write it as x square minus twice x minus 15 equal to 0. Multiplying both sides by minus 1, you will get x into x square minus twice x minus 15 equal to 0. Now you find that product of two polynomials is 0. So either x equal to 0 or x square minus twice x minus 15 equal to 0. Now if you do middle term splitting here, you will find that 5 3s are 15, 5 minus 3 equal to 2. So you will write it as x minus 5 into x plus 3 equal to 0, right? So x minus 5 equal to 0 or x plus 3 equal to 0, x equal to 5 or x equal to minus 3. So here we got three solutions. Now let's check whether these are true or false. Now if you put x equal to 0, if x equal to 0, left hand side equal to 15 by x square means 15 by 0. Now 15 by 0 is not defined. This is not a real number, right? 15 by 0, something real number divided by 0 is not defined. Therefore answer is x equal to 5 or minus 3. These are the roots of the equation. Because we find that if x equal to 0, then you will find that left hand side is not defined. It's not a real number. So x equal to 0 is not a solution of this equation. So roots of this equation are x equal to 5 or minus 3. Now let's try to solve this one. Solution of this equation. Here 4 by x minus 2 plus 4 by x plus 2 equal to 5 by 6. Now this implies you find that LCM is x minus 2 into x plus 2. So this equal to 4 into x plus 2 plus 4 into x minus 2 equal to 5 by 6. This you know, a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square, x square minus 2 square, x square minus 4. This becomes 4x plus 8 plus 4x minus 8. That means this will become 8x 4x plus 8 plus 4x minus 8 equal to 5 by 6. This becomes x square minus 4, 8x equal to 5 by 6. Now you cross multiply this. 5 into x square minus 4 equal to 6 into 8x. This becomes 5x square minus 20 minus 6 is 48x equal to 0. This becomes 5x square minus 20 48x minus 20 equal to 0. Now you can solve this equation using middle term splitting or using this formula. So let's try to do middle term splitting. 5 into 20, 100. 100 equal to 5 into 20, right? 2 into 50. Now you see 50 minus 2 equal to 48. That means you can do middle term splitting here. 5x square minus 50 minus 2x minus 20 equal to 0. This implies 5x square minus 50x plus 2x minus 20 equal to 0. This implies you can take 5x common here, x minus 10 plus 2 into x minus 10 equal to 0. This implies 5x plus 2 into x minus 10 equal to 0. Now you see product of two polynomials equal to 0. So either 5x plus 2 equal to 0, that means x equal to minus 2 by 5, or x minus 10 equal to 0, this means x equal to 10. Therefore roots are 10 or minus 2 by 5. These are the roots of this equation, right? Now let's solve this. Y square equal to 225 minus y plus 3 whole square. So let's solve this equation. Y square equal to 225 minus y plus 3 whole square. It's a quadratic equation in variable y. So this implies y square equal to 225 minus a square plus twice of ab plus b square. This implies y square equal to 225 minus y square plus 6y plus 9. Now transposing all this to the left hand side, we get y square plus y square 6y plus 9 minus 225 equal to 0. Now this becomes y square plus y square twice of y square plus 6y. Now 9 minus 225 means 216 equal to 0. Now these are both sides are divisible by 2. This becomes y square plus 3y minus 10 equal to 0. Now let's do middle term splitting here. We will try to find the factors of 108. 2 into 54, 3 into 3 3 is 9, 3 6 is 18, 4 into 4 2 is 8, 4 7 is 28, 6 into 18, 8 into 8 into 8 1 is 8, it is not divisible by 8, 9 into 9 1 is 9, 9 2 is 18. Now see 12 minus 9 equal to 3. So this becomes y square plus 12 minus 9y minus 108 equal to 0. Y square plus 12y minus 9y 108 equal to 0. Y into y plus 12 minus 9 into y plus 12 equal to 0. Y plus 12 into y minus 9 equal to 0. That means either y plus 12 equal to 0 or y minus 9 equal to 0. This gives y equal to minus 12 or y equal to 9. These are the roots of this equation. Therefore, roots are y equal to 9 or y equal to minus 12, right? Now let's solve this equation. Twice of x square minus 32 equal to 0. This implies twice of x square equal to 32. This implies x square equal to 16. Therefore, x square, taking square root on both sides, x equal to square root of 16. That means plus 4 or minus 4. Therefore, roots are 4 or minus 4. Right? Now take another example. The sum of the age of two friends is 20 years. 4 years ago, the product of their ages was 48. Find their ages. Solution. Find sum of the age of two friends is 20 years. Let age of one friend equal to x. Therefore, age of the other equal to 20 minus x, because sum of their age is 20 years. If one is x, another is 20 minus x. Now 4 years ago age of first friend equal to x minus 4, right? His age was x minus 4 4 years ago. That means x minus 4. And 4 years ago age of second friend equal to, the age of second friend is 20 minus x. 4 years ago 20 minus x minus 4, right? So this means 16 minus x. Now it says that 4 years ago product of their ages was 48. 4 years ago product of their ages, this into this product of their age, x minus 4 into 16 minus x equal to 48. Now let's simplify this. X into 16 minus x minus 4 into 16 minus x equal to 48. This means 16x minus x square minus 64 plus 4x equal to 48. This implies minus x square plus 20x minus 64 minus 48 equal to 0. Transposing this term to the left hand side. This means minus x square plus 20x minus 112 equal to 0. Now if you multiply minus on both sides, you will get it x square minus 20x plus 112 equal to 0. So let's do middle term splitting here. 112 equal to 2 into 56. This is not divisible by 3. It is divisible by 4. 4 2s are 8. 4 8s are 32. 6. If it is divisible by 6, no, it is not divisible by 3, so it is not divisible by 6. 7. 8. If it is divisible by 8, 8 1s are 8. 8 4s are 30. It is not divisible by 9 and divisible by 12. If it is divisible by 12, let's check it. 12 8s are 96. 12 9s are 108. Not divisible by 12. 14. 16. If it is divisible by 16, 16 into 7. 18. If it is divisible by 18, 18 5s are 90. 18 6s are 108. Right? So it is not divisible by 18. So how do you find 20 here? 20 here. If it is divisible by 12, no. So let's try it out in another way. X equal to minus b plus minus b square minus 20 square 4ac into 112 divided by twice of a means 20 plus minus 20 square means 400 minus this multiplied by 4, right? 4 2 is 8, 4 1 is 4, 4 1 is 4, divisible by 2. Now you see that the roots are 20 plus square root of minus 48 divided by 2 or 20 minus square root of minus 40 divided by 2. Now can we find any real number whose square is minus 48? It is not, next to impossible. That means there is no real number so that square root of minus 48 can be simplified. That means these roots are the roots of the equation x minus 4 into 16 minus x equal to 48 are not real, right? Because these are not real numbers, so we cannot find the ages of the friends in real number. We cannot find the ages in real numbers. This is the answer, because real solution of this equation does not exist, right? Because the term within square root, this is negative. Now there does not exist any real number whose square is minus 48, so this value is not real. Similarly, this is also not real, so these are not real numbers. So roots of this equation, quadratic equation, does not exist, so we cannot find the ages of the friends in real numbers. Thank you for watching. We will try to discuss some more examples in future. Bye bye.